Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is a new day for me to shoot a new video for you all. So I'm all ready, as you can see, and I'm going to show you all my outfit. This is a shapewear top which is from Bravik, and the skirt is from Shein, and the shoes is from Kmart, and this blazer coat, whatever you call it, it's from H&M. Okay, and my jewelry is from, I have got no idea. Okay, so I am just wearing my Fitbit watch and earring which looks like this, really nice, and also bit of bracelets. This one will go well too, but I want something bigger than this. So let's unbox a bag, and literally I'm so excited, and this came so early. I'm going to match that bag with this outfit, and I just did a simple makeup, as you can see, not wearing any lashes, but yeah, I think it looks nice. Let's see. So it comes very nicely packed. Thank you so much, Daddy Blake, for sending this. I'm so excited and I can't wait to see. Let's see. OMG. Love the packaging. This is the bag. It comes with the dust bag. And here is the bag. This is just so gorgeous, and I just love the color. It comes with the tag. Let's open and see inside. It also comes with the strap. Let's open this strap. I love it. This is so beautiful. Wow, so nice. And you can use without the strap or with the strap. Both ways it will look good. I like this way, and I literally like the size of this bag, and it goes so well with this outfit.
Oh, so fancy, guys.
Okay.
Wow. Feels so light. It looks so fancy, this logo. Anyways, oh, how do you open this?
Yeah.
Have you not opened this yet?
Yeah, I did.
Wow, that is so fancy, guys. Look at that. Wow.
I took out the paper and everything. It's nice.
Wow. Oh yeah, feels so fashionable. Oh.
Like the quality?
Yeah, it feels so like high-end quality. I mean, it better be good quality for $600. So beautiful. I want to see it inside. How do you open this?
No. ऐसे सीधा करो. No. ऐसे open करो.
Oh, okay. Wow, that was fancy. Wow, so much. Can I take this out?
Yeah.
If I can. Wow, guys, look how much space there is.
Lots, no?
What? You can fit so much stuff in here.
Eliza, you like it?
Oh, it even has a separate pocket.
Yeah.
Even has a separate pocket. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Separate pocket right there.
Yeah.
Someone else came to see the bag.
Oh, okay. Hello, you like it too? You gonna smell it? Yeah. Okay, I like it. You like it? You like the box?
Wait.
No, leave him.
Get in the box.
Get in the box.
Sit.
Oh.
He said straight away. He loves boxes, guys.
Wow, looks so nice. No?
It looks so high-end. Look at it. It's so stunning.
I like it, yeah.
I like this part too.
Yeah. I did make a little clip for shorts, Instagram reel, and also for TikTok. Okay, so if you are following me, you will see this video over there too. I am on the website. Let me go through what this website sells. Okay, so this is the bag, which is just so pretty, and I love it with the strap handle. Kim Croco, 11-inch, dark brown, and the cost is $670. You can go check out the website. It's www.teddyblake.com. I will leave it below in the description box, and when you go on the website you will definitely get some discounts. It's there, extra 20% off, and I love the color. It's so gorgeous, and they sell like different styles too. So if you go on the website and select crossbody, they sell like different styles. Like I think it's a crossbody type, this one, and literally I like it so much. And the color, this one is pretty. I like this one too. The color is gorgeous, and I think lots of them, nearly all of them, comes with the strap, which is so handy, like if you want to like hang on the side or do a crossbody way, like that way. I think it will look good too, and it will suit different occasions too. Okay, so yeah, I think if I'm going out at night, I think I will just use this handle, or if I'm like using this in the daytime, I will use it on the side. And if I'm like going out on a casual day out, I will just do a crossbody with my casual fit, I think. So you can use it like lots of ways, but I love the color. So they sell like lots of styles. Apart from these, other accessories they are selling is wallet, card holder, coin case, and leather strap office tray. So yeah, collection. Let's see what other collections are there. Okay, so yeah, I think I like this bag. I love the color, that's why I got this one. You can see like I love brown. They also have like Instagram and Facebook, and phone number there, and also like help@teddyblake.com. It's absolutely stunning. I have like so many bags in my collection, but I like to get this dust bag with the bag when I'm buying it. Okay, so nowadays you don't get dust bag all the time. You have to buy this separately, but it comes with the bag, and also it comes with this nice box. And if you want, you can just keep this as it came in the box, which I'm going to do, I think, because I think this bag deserves a safe spot in here, because it's dust everywhere, like literally doesn't matter how much I clean. I've got 3 kids, and their hair is everywhere too, so yeah, I will like to keep it inside. This is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and also thank you so much Teddy Blake for sending me this gorgeous bag, and it came so early. In few days it came. Okay, like literally the delivery was so quick, which I love it. I think I will take it like this. I will take out the strap. With this outfit, I think I will take it like this, and literally I think I'm loving it. It's just so pretty. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.